Hey, Mark here. We're going to be working on some different projects here and showing how to do different things with Photoshop, WordPress, GoHighLevel, how you can help to use these tools to grow your business, running tutorials. If you like this type of stuff, stay tuned on this channel. And um, we're going to head back to the office here, Mark, out here in the wild here. Talk a little more about what we're doing. So own a web design business here. We haven't done much on YouTube in the past, just kind of trying it out here. So some things we'll be doing is tutorials, talking about web design, WordPress, SEO, Google business pages, profiles, web hosting a little bit probably, logo design, GoHighLevel, and we'll just be doing tutorials, teaching along the way, and hoping that you guys will leave comments and subscribe below, and we'll just keep showing what we're doing, and you can come along the ride. All right, thanks.